Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to jump start 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. This is gonna apply to Chevrolet Equinox from 2010 and all the way up to 2017. On this vehicle, battery is located in engine compartment on the driver's side, and it's located right under that computer. When you are jumping start that vehicle, you will not connect jumper cables or booster cables to the battery, actually, because it's not easily accessible. We have a negative terminal here, and we have a positive terminal right underneath there. Instead of that, you will attach your booster cables to this pin. This one is a positive terminal, and it should have a red cap here. On my vehicle, this cap is missing. So anyways, this is gonna be your positive terminal where you're gonna connect your positive cable, and right next to it here, this is gonna be your negative terminal. You can see here it says ground, and you're gonna connect your negative cable right here. Now I have connected my booster cables to positive and to the negative terminals. The safest way to do that is to first connect the negative one and then positive one. And I'm gonna try to start this vehicle. So in my case, this battery is completely dead, so I had to connect two booster packs, the small one and the bigger one. I had to play a little bit with that, so on the positive I connected two of them, the bigger one to the positive pin, and then the smaller one to the bigger cable, and then I connected the big clamp to the ground here and the small clamp to the ground on the battery itself. Now let's see if this thing gonna start. And it started. With two booster packs, I managed to start that battery. So ideally, if you wanna jump start that vehicle, you will connect your negative booster cable to the ground right here, and your positive cable to that pin. Thanks for watching.